Assalamualaikum and hi to Madam Asnita. Thank you for watching our project presentation video. We are from Code 9 and today we will be presenting our project titled Stock Replenishment System. This system is developed using Microsoft Excel and is designed specifically for a hijab business that sells various types of hijab and material. In this presentation, I will explain the project background, the system structure, and the organizational chart of our project. This project focuses on developing an Excel-based stock replenishment system to help a hijab business manage its inventory more efficiently. As shown in the project background sheet, our Excel file, the system is designed to track stock level and alert user when items are running low. In many small business, stock management is still done manually, which can result in stock shortage, overstocking, and inaccurate record. By using Microsoft Excel, this system helps reduce manual work and ensures smoother operation. Stock levels are updated automatically after each transaction, which improve accuracy and minimize human error. In addition, the system stores important information such as product detail, supply information, inventory data, and order record in a structured format. The project significance. Based on the project significance stated in our Excel file, this system help reduce the risk of running out of stock, improve accuracy and minimize mistakes in stock recording, reduce unnecessary costs caused by overpurchasing. Overall, the system support better decision making in stock replenishment and inventory control. So next, I will briefly explain the table design shown in the Excel system. The system consists of 4 main tables. First is the product table, which store product ID, product name, color, material, stock level, and reorder level. The second one is the inventory table, which record current stock, sale, reorder level, and the last update information. The third one is the supplier table, which contains supplier details such as supplier name, contact information, and address. And the last one is the order table, which record order information including quantity ordered, price, order date, total amount, and order status. These tables are linked to ensure data consistency and to support an effective stock replenishment process. Next, I will explain the organizational chart of this project as shown in the organization chart sheet in our Excel file. So, at the top of the organization is the managing director, which is me myself, Muhammad Hakimi bin Sanshuri, who oversees the overall business operation and ensure the system support strategic decision making. So next is the finance manager, is Nur Amira binti Yusaimi, who manage finance record, monitor costs related to stock replenishment, and help reduce unnecessary purchase. So the third one is the operation manager, is Nur Amira Aisha binti Nur Izaha, who is responsible for daily operation including inventory control, stock movement, and ensuring accurate stock update in the Excel system. And the last one is the marketing and sales manager, which is Nurul Fadilah binti Muhammad Rozi, who handles sales activity, monitor product demand, and provide sales data that support stock replenishment planning. This organizational structure ensures effective coordination between departments and smooth operation of the Excel-based stock replenishment system. So, with that, I will now hand over the presentation to the next presenter who will continue with the next part of the system. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Now I'm going to present on the catalog of our business. But first, we need to click on the catalog icon. So it will automatically go to our catalog sheet. So as you can see here, there are various products that we sell, such as for cotton, chiffon shawl, satin shawl, and for customers who prefer texture, we also provide pleated shawls that give a stylish and modern appearance with minimal effort. We also offer in-season shawls, allowing designed for convenience, allowing users to achieve a neat and quick hijab style without needing pins. And for active customers, we also sell sports hijab that can ensure comfort during workout or outdoor activities. And last but not least, we also sell inner caps and hijab pins. So each type of hijab have various of colors that is trendy and interesting for customers to choose from. So overall, our catalog showcase a complete range of hijab essentials, ensuring customer can find everything they need from daily wear to special occasions all in one place. So under here, we have the back and next button that can allow us to go to next page or before page. So I'm going to click on the next icon and it will automatically go to the data product sheet. So for this data, it provides a complete overview of the products sold by our business. So it acts as a product database that records important information such as product ID, product names, colors, materials, supply ID, stock level, and also reorder level. So with this data, the business can easily identify what items are available, which supplier provides them, and also how much stock remains. So in addition, the sheet includes a section that displays product details automatically when a specific product ID is selected, making it easier to track inventory without looking through the entire list. As you can see here, we can filter any information that we want to look for. For example, we want to look for only power cotton, so we select, click on the select all to unselect, and then we click on bawal cotton and we click OK. So it will only showcase the all the related information on bawal cotton. So next on the right side of the table there is a VLOOKUP function. So this function is used to retrieve product information. For example, we want to um, search for information for a specific product by using the VLOOKUP function. First, we click filter. So, so in case, for example, I want to um, search for information related to PVC 010. So, it will show all the related information regarding the product, the specific product ID that I entered just now. So it showcase the product name, which is bawal cotton, and the stock level is 20. Like here, bawal cotton 20, the stock level, and also the supplier ID, SP003. So this shows that this function makes inventory faster, reduce error, and also can improve efficiency. This function is especially useful for business with many product variations as it simplifies data access and ensure accurate information is always displayed. So other than VLOOKUP, there is also a count if section that helps calculate the number of items under a certain category, such as how many bawal cotton products are in stock or how many items come in a particular color. For example, here, for product name bawal cotton, the count number is 15, while the color for bawal cotton green is 1, like here. Bawal cotton 15 and green 1. And last but not least, We have data validation that ensure consistency in data entry by providing a fixed list of product category and also color option. When we click here, it will show like this. We click the drop list button, and it will show all the variety of color that the business offer. That's all for the data product section. Next, I will go to the data supplier. Like before, we click on the next button to go to the next sheet, which is data supplier. So for data supplier, first we click filter. Okay. So for this sheet, it provides a detailed record of all suppliers involved in supplying product to the business. So this data also contains important supplier information such as the supplier name, contact number, address, and also email. So with this data, the business can easily contact supplier for orders, delivery, inquiry, or issue. So by linking product ID to supplier ID, the sheet also help track which supplier is responsible for which product category. For example, here by using the filtering function, we can specifically search for the product ID for specific supplier. So for example, I'll show here, we want to look for product that only supplier SP004 provide to the business. First, we select all, and we click SP004 and click OK. So it only showcase all the product ID that supplier SP004 provide to Hijab Society. So it will showcase all the supplier name, contact info, address, and email of the supplier. Like here, it showcase product ID PSI001. The supplier name is Instant Hijab Co. The contact info, the address, and also the email. Uh, that's all for the data supplier part. To go to the next sheet, we'll have to click on the next icon. And if we want to go to home page, we will click on the home page button.
So we continue with data or table order here. This table contains with inventory ID, quantity order, price, order date, total amount which we get from the multiplying quantity order with price, then we get the total amount. Then the status here to show whether the product already delivered or still in shipping. And we can see in bottom here we have total for each of the table here, 819 for the total of quantity orders, then the price with 750, multiplying these two, then we get the total amount of the orders, which is 8,825 ringgit. As usual, here we have a back and next button for easy navigation, and here we have a function with VLOOKUP to ensure that we can find the product easily when we change the order years. 16. So all the data here will automatically change also, and it make it easier for us to track the data from this table. And here, as usual, the home button to back to home. Next, we move to data inventory table, which in this table we have inventory ID, product ID, stock in, sale, stock level, reorder level, and last updated. For reorder level, we set all 10 for all the product. And here we have the status of the product, which is use of the function if. Use of the function if. This is when the stock level is equal or less than 10, then the status here will change to need to order. For example, here we have 30, then we change to 8, then this appears need to order. So beside here we have inventory ID with the function of VLOOKUP. If we need to find some inventory ID to find the information quickly, so we can use VLOOKUP function here. For example, for this inventory ID, we change 10 to 15, then the information here appear quickly and automatically. Here we have function of SUMIF to find the total of the products. For example, this is for product. Here for product ID TBC004, the stock in here have total stock in we have 10. The stock level is set at 10. Then the sale, total sale we have 8 here, and reorder level so still 10. Here when we need to pick at the bottom, at the bottom here we have a total of the each table, which is here we use the formula of sum. We get 819 for the totals for the table of stock in. For average we have 11.7, minimum value is 5 and maximum value is 25 here. As usual, we have back and next button here for the easy navigation between the sheet. Then at the top we have the home button.
So now moving on to the dashboard, I will be explaining on the functionality of the dashboard for our stock replenishment system. This dashboard is designed to allow users to interact with the data and observe change in real time, which support better stock replenishment decision. First, I will start from the dashboard main view. At this stage, the dashboard displays an overview summary of quantity order and the sum of total amount. So I will click on the slicer. For example, I will click on the order ID 003 and the quantity order is 15 and the total amount is 120 ringgit. This shows that the dashboard is dynamic and responsive to user input because all charts on the dashboard update automatically. Next, I will focus on the product related chart. This chart is the sum of stock level and that categorized by different materials and product ID. So when I change the selection using the slicer, the chart immediately reflects the update product information. This helps users identify which product have higher demand and may require replenishment. So moving on to the order related chart, by applying the same filter, the chart changed to display only the relevant order data. This allows users to analyze order patterns without manually searching through raw data. To further demonstrate the linkage, I will now open the related pivot chart sheet. Here we can see that the dashboard chart is directly linked to this pivot chart. Any change made through the slicer affect the pivot table and pivot charts, which then update the dashboard automatically. For example, this is the order pivot table and this is the inventory pivot table. So this interactive function is important for stock replenishment system because it reduces manual data analysis, provide real-time visual feedback and support faster and more informed decision making. So overall, by clicking and interacting with these dashboard controls, users can easily explore different stock scenarios and make appropriate replenishment decisions. So now, moving on to the conclusion. So in conclusion, The stock replenishment system developed for hijab business help improve overall inventory management. This system reduces the risk of stock shortage by monitoring inventory levels and alerting staff when stock is low. At the same time, it helps prevent over-ordering by ensuring that purchases are made based on the actual demand. In addition, the system improves accuracy by using real-time and reduce human error by minimizing manual tracking. This allows the business to make better restocking decisions, save operating costs, and manage inventory more efficiently. Overall, the system supports smoother daily operations, strengthens inventory control, and helps the business operate in a more organized and sustainable way. That is all from us. Thank you.